What is going on, Docs Gang? We are back for another video, and guys, today, as you may know, DaBaby has released a new album. It's called hang on a second. Give me 2 seconds. Dropped a new album called My Turn, and I was like, you know what, we're making a Lil Baby type beat. I need them views. I'm most likely not gonna use the samples just because like I can make a Lil Baby type beat just by using Omnisphere, which is probably what I'm going to do. Yeah, don't forget, make sure you join the Discord. It's been popping off recently because I've been starting to do live streams again, so make sure you join the Discord so you don't miss those. Don't forget to also comment on videos I should do in the future in the comment section. Don't forget to also like the video. All right, also, damn, my head is itchy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications, of course. With all that being said, let's get into this Lil Baby type beat. We already know what's gonna happen, guys. We already know. Like, let's be honest. Come on now. We already know what's gonna happen. Do I want a guitar melody? I do want a guitar melody. Alright, it's kind of cool. Yes, I like. Very nice.
It's nice.
Okay, yeah, we gotta add gross beat to this. Alright, let's try. Also, I kind of wanted to see like different pitches, what they would sound like. Alright, this is not working at all. Let's go to the bells. I can't be asked with these guitars. I kind of like this melody, this sound. I'm gonna try another sound. Okay, this is fire. This is fire. Maybe without the arpeggio. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use this. Probably gonna add some like, I'm definitely gonna add counter melodies to this because this isn't like a sample where, you know, samples take care of everything. So we need to maybe add one. Wait, do I have the flute? I don't have the flute. Hold on.
3 weeks later.
Let's see what this. I'm gonna just copy it. I'm just gonna copy and paste real quick and see what that'll sound like. Yeah, trash. Okay, we're gonna have to make our own sound. Alright. I'm just gonna make a simple one real quick. Maybe let's look out of that. Let's add the reverb real quick. Do my little tingling. That gross beat. All right, I like this. Now, I'm gonna go to the drums. I have a drum pattern in mind, and the baby, or not drum pattern, 808 pattern rather. And the baby drum or 808 patterns are, I mean, they're pretty simple, and they use that. I think I have the 808. And I definitely do have the 808. Let's just hope I use the right one. I'm pretty sure. These baby, what's it called? The 808 patterns always have these like triplets in them. Maybe it's just like this. Yeah. And also cut it. And let's cut this here. Okay, yeah, we got the open hats. Yeah, this one's nice. Okay. Alright, cool. I like this. Yeah, let's add some claps, shall we? Let's get the kick now. Let's get the kick now. Okay, this 808's also kind of quiet, so let's turn that up a little bit. All right, now I want to add a snare, okay? Because I feel like clap beat just by itself would just be a little too boring, you know? So we need to add a snare. So I don't know, where's that snare? There's a snare that I really like to use, but I don't know. You know what? Maybe it's in here. Now let's work on the hi-hats a little bit. Real quick, I just want to get some inspiration from one of his songs on the album. Alright, real quick, let's just you know, I think the beat's good there. I'm gonna leave it there. I don't want to add too much to it. I feel like the hi-hats are fine. Yeah, but if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like, okay? Don't forget, comment, like, share, all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to also join the Discord, alright? BQ's coming, more and more coming. Yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one, and peace.